Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable sleep mode in Windows 11 PC using Settings app. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click Settings. In the Settings window, click on this one System option. In the left sidebar, select Power and Sleep. On the right, under Sleep option, you may find two options in case your PC is powered by battery. Select this one drop down menu, and to disable sleep mode feature on Windows 11, select this one never option. And in case you want to enable sleep mode, you can select after how many minutes your PC should go in sleep mode, such as 5 minutes,